Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking goals and metrics, traffic, leads, revenue, so you measure change precisely. Once that's clear, pull a 90-day analytics baseline and note top pages and keyword targets. This shows where impact can occur fast. Make sure tracking and crawl access are working, upload or verify the sitemap, and list content owners for edits. These first steps save you guessing later and let you move immediately into testing and controlled changes that will produce measurable lift. Now you execute prioritized experiments. Begin with thorough page audits, core web vitals, crawl errors, indexation, and mobile UX, because technical issues confound content gains. Next, use an impact versus effort matrix to choose about 3 high-value tests. You want measurable signal in weeks, not months. Implement changes via a /B or staged rollouts and document your hypothesis, exact steps, and start dates so results are attributable. Then monitor rank, traffic, and engagement daily and adjust quickly when patterns emerge. To finish, compare post-test metrics against your baseline using appropriate windows, usually 28 to 90 days depending on traffic volume, so you capture sustained changes. You must craft a concise report that explains the hypothesis, the outcome with numbers, lessons learned, and recommended next actions. This turns experiments into repeatable strategy. If you see no signal, troubleshoot immediately. Verify tracking integrity. Confirm adequate sample size, control for seasonality, and be prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.